Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Lincoln Elementary School in Madera, California, and this is my first time getting to visit this school. It was a true honor. Had 3 programs today. The main theme was diversity, need human kindness, which you see on my shirt, the peace sign that begins in the heart, right? That's where peace has to begin. And knowing that showing kindness isn't about just showing that to ourselves, but showing that to others. And that really ties into their mantra, their motto here at Lincoln, home of the Lions, right? But they have the 3 R's: respectful, responsible, and ready. And the respectful one really kind of hits home for me because that's what we're talking about when we are trying to have more empathy, more compassion for people that are different than us. That's what diversity is. Our differences, both on the outside, could be how we're born, how we look, anything that might separate us could be an opportunity for it to unify us, right? For us to actually know that we, can maybe grow from someone else around us, learn from them, from their culture, from their background, from their walk of life. And if we can embrace that diversity, we begin to grow. We resist it and kind of struggle. But if we're able to see that worth and that value in ourselves, then we can go look for that in someone else around us, which also goes right in line with this concept. I bring it up in all my assemblies, but we all have, with the lines on our hands, the letter M. That M stands for Madera. No, I'm just kidding, but stands for miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy. We have at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. I traced one of mine here. But to know that we are true miracles, worthy of that love, to give it and receive it, that's what I'm always trying to express throughout these programs. And the kids really got that today. A lot of them came up, said, Mr. Peace, what you shared touched my heart. A lot of the staff members said the same thing. And I said, look, if this person from Michigan, quite a ways away, can touch your heart in under an hour for the K2 presentation, grades 3 and 4, and then we had 5 and 6 separately. We also have a parent program tonight on cyberbullying and social media. But if we're able to really understand these key lessons at a young age, and what it means to include others, to be there for each other, that's really all that matters. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, some positive music, some inspirational videos, that's how I was able to hammer all these points home. And hopefully something that they can take home to know that if this person, from far away can touch your heart very quickly, that you can hopefully go and, take that up to the next level by touching someone else's heart through the rest of the school year and beyond. That's how we start to change this world. We also discuss that it's just one act of kindness at a time. Right. And if we can really do that, that's what we're called to do, right, for this planet. That love is inside all of our hearts. It's as big as this earth. But if we can let it out, let it break free, that's how we start to really better those around us and really better ourselves in the process. So thank you so much for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day here at Lincoln. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, have a great rest of the school year. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also visit this playlist for some additional motivation. And you can also check out my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.